Hey, welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. You've got John and Gary Ware with you. Yo, John here. This podcast will be hosted by both John.
Hey, and I'm Gary, the dude running the show.
Together, we're all about sharing awesome insights into the vegan lifestyle. Thanks a bunch for joining us and for having our backs. The anti-inflammatory diet and action plans. 4-week meal plans to heal the immune system and restore overall health. Paperback, illustrated, published on October 21, 2015, by Dorothy Kalimaris and Sandy Bruner.
Easy meal plans and recipes to combat inflammation. Food is a powerful tool for reducing chronic inflammation, but transitioning to an anti-inflammatory diet can feel daunting. This essential cookbook simplifies the process, providing clear, straightforward guidance on anti-inflammatory eating and meal planning. Inside you'll find healthy recipes and valuable insights into the benefits and challenges of various plans. What makes this anti-inflammatory diet stand out? Structured meal plans. With specific 4-week meal plans, you'll have a clear roadmap for every meal designed to maximize the diet health benefits. Diet adaptation. Discover practical anti-inflammatory plans tailored to your preferences and lifestyle, including vegan, paleo, and Mediterranean options. Customizable recipes, featuring 130 anti-inflammatory recipes, many with options to adapt ingredients for more restrictive diets like the Autoimmune Protocol, AIP. Enjoy delicious meals while effectively managing chronic inflammation with the help of this comprehensive anti-inflammatory diet book.
About the authors, Dorothy Kalimaris is a cookbook author and food writer dedicated to creating quick, easy, and flavorful whole food recipes. Visit her at DorothyEats.com. Sandy Bruner is a holistic nutritionist and food blogger specializing in digestive health and allergen-friendly diets. She lives in Vancouver, BC, with her husband and baby. Product details. Publisher, Sonoma Press, Illustrated Edition, October 21, 2015. Language, English. Paperback, 291 pages. ISBN 10-194-241-1251. ISBN 13-978-194241123. Amazon reviews. Don't assume this book is just for those with anti-inflammatory issues. While it has only a few pictures, it's packed with a lot of well-written, easy-to-understand recipes. I love that it includes vegan, paleo, Mediterranean, and time-saving action plans, each with a 4-week menu. These plans require minimal prep, and my family enjoyed them all. However, I found some drawbacks in the action plans. Many ingredients are uncommon, and one reviewer noted that each recipe can yield 4 to 6 servings, which might be challenging without ample freezer space. The recipes also lacked guidance, which could be an issue for beginners. Additionally, the soup recipes suggest using a slow cooker, making it difficult to meal prep without multiple slow cookers. Some ingredients didn't agree with my body, and the meal plan seemed unrealistic with underestimated prep/cook times and numerous ingredients. These plans might work if you have plenty of time and money. The book is written by a health coach and a holistic nutritionist, which might influence their perspective. Some recipes were bland to my taste, and I didn't follow the weekly plans. They promote fad diets and claim their recipes will restore overall health, but it's important to note that nutritionists can't legally provide medical nutrition therapy. Despite these issues, some recipes, like the chocolate avocado mousse with sea salt and the mushroom risotto, were excellent.
In my opinion, I originally found this book at Whole Foods, and it offers essential information for anyone starting their anti-inflammatory journey. The introduction is concise and clear, explaining how diet impacts inflammation and overall health. After laying the groundwork, the book presents 28-day meal plan called action plans. These plans are mostly wheat and dairy-free, using coconut and almonds instead. The recipes are easy to prepare and don't require extensive prep work. One improvement would be the inclusion of a grocery list at the end of the book. While the meal plans are well organized, a handy grocery list for each week would be helpful. Each plan is briefly described, outlining what to avoid, rules to follow, benefits, and potential challenges. The book does an excellent job of educating readers on inflammatory and anti-inflammatory foods. This book isn't just a collection of recipes. It's an educational guide on inflammation. I highly recommend it for anyone dealing with weight issues, inflammation, arthritis, diabetes, allergies, or digestive disorders. It promotes healthy, clean eating and simplifies following an anti-inflammatory diet, although there aren't many pictures of the finished dishes. The content is straightforward and easy to read. Some of my favorite recipes include avocado fudge, chia seed pudding, and green olive tapenade.
Tune in to our next episode 54 Vegan Social Media Groups.
Thanks so much for tuning into the podcast. We really appreciate you listening and can't wait to have you back for our next exciting episode all about veganism.
Could you please consider supporting my podcast? If you enjoyed this episode, you could contribute by gifting $5. Alternatively, you could donate through the Buy Me a Coffee website. The address can be found in the show notes. Your support means a lot.
I aim for accuracy, but medicine evolves and approaches may differ. My views are evidence-based yet open to feedback and new insights. No pharmaceutical or medical company funding ensures an unbiased perspective. However, this content isn't medical advice. Consult your physician for personalized guidance on health concerns.